Putrajaya. Literally translated as Prince Success. It's probably best to not translate these things as they don't make any sense because they're not meant for translation. But here we are. So what you're looking at here is the White House of Malaysia, which looks massive. I'm not sure if the White House is that big. Gigantic building where the Prime Minister lives. Looks like a mosque because of that roof structure. But to be fair, this is the mosque for him, and this is his house. So here we have it. Singapore flag, 14 flags of all the provinces. It is incredibly hot today. 38 degrees or something. We're gonna explore Putrajaya. We've got our guide with us, Farell. Here's Ivana. What can you say about Putrajaya so far?
Super hot day.
Super hot. That's okay. Our spirits are high.
Yeah, it looks like a mosque on top. The building architecture.
Right, but that's the mosque over there.
Yeah, the mosque is pink.
This is just his house with a green roof. Okay, let's go explore Putrajaya. Here's a nice quiet place to relax. It's a huge river, no? Man-made river. Wow. So tell me that again. Malaysia is actually a monarchy in terms that it has kings or sultans.
Sultans, yes. Well, basically, to make things easy to understand, our country has like 9 sultans, if I'm not mistaken. So these 9 sultans, they rotate every 5 years to hold power. So they don't vote for who's gonna take charge of to being a sultan.
Right. It's just next in line in the family.
Just next in line.
But in terms of most of the power, it's from the Prime Minister.
Yes, Prime Minister.
The Sultan is more or less just kind of for...
He's more as an icon.
Yes.
He represents the country and the Muslim religion.
Right.
So basically...
But I mean, it functions as a democracy here.
Yes.
But on paper, it's actually a monarchy.
Yes.
So if you're the son of the Sultan, 9 sultans, 5 years each, in 45 years, it'll be your turn.
Yeah.
If your dad's still alive in 45 years, it'll be him again.
True. So that's a part of it. It's like, from what I know, I think we're the only country in... Maybe in Africa there's also one country that does the same system, rotational system. Because in Malaysia, they don't vote. It just rotates. So every 5 years, the next sultan's in charge.
Right.
Let's say if Johor is in charge now, and then his term is over, next guy could be Negeri Sembilan. They already set who's next.
Right.
So it's all already pre-arranged.
Just some kind of circular rotation.
Yes, circular rotation.
Very cool. Okay, sun's going down, so it's starting to cool off, which is nice.
Yeah, let's go and have a walk around Putrajaya.
Cheers, chan. Cheers.
Cheers.
Some, what's it called again? Tea?
Teh ice. Hot versus teh tarik.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah.
It's like a milkshake.
Yeah.
Almost like coffee too.
Yeah. It's tea.
Very milky.
Very
And ice
strong
cold.
tea taste.
Yeah. This is Malaysian
It is really good.
tea. Like no Malaysian.
Okay, there you have it, guys. Putrajaya. The White House of Malaysia, where the Prime Minister lives. Not the Sultans. The Sultans live in a palace in their own state. But
The place kind of reminds me of Taj Mahal.
looks like it,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
just the top.
Just the top. It's green instead of
Different
gold.
color.
But yeah,
Yeah.
different color. Thanks for watching, guys. So below us, our most recent upload. You can see what we're doing now. What politic we are learning about of what country. On the left, some of our other videos. Please subscribe. Just a short one for you guys today, but trying to keep it moving here at Jet Lag Warriors. You know, we're on the go. We're busy people here,
Yeah.
making it happen out
Oh,
there.
I got too much tarik.
Too much to target in your stomach?
Yeah.
Quite sweet drink.
Very good though.
Mm-hmm.
Really tasty.
Okay, later, guys.
Bye.